Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about prepositional phrases. Let's get started. Now, a prepositional phrase is a group of words consisting of a preposition and a noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. Have a look at the example over here. She tried to calm down the baby by singing lullabies. Now, by singing lullabies is a prepositional phrase, and note that it consists of a preposition, by, gerund, singing, and a noun, lullabies. A prepositional phrase always consists of two basic parts at minimum, the preposition and its object. Have a look at the example over here. I think I'll be at home. At is a preposition and home is a noun, object of the sentence. Now, a prepositional phrase is a group of words that consist of a preposition and a noun, as in the example over here. Erick was fired from McDonald's. Preposition, noun. B, a preposition and a pronoun. For example, he always leaves little presents for me. For is the preposition and me, pronoun. C, a preposition and a gerund. For example, Carol managed to lose some weight thanks to exercising. To, exercising, gerund. D, a preposition and a clause. For example, I need to talk to you about stuff we need for our trip. Clause. Now, a prepositional phrase can function either as an adjective or an adverb in the sentence. Now, as an adjective, the prepositional phrase answers the question, which one? Have a look at the examples below. The boy with red hair was taking photos outside. Which one? The one with the red hair. And as an adverb, the prepositional phrase answers the questions how, when, where. Have a look at the example over here. Gabby went for a run at 5 o'clock. When did she go for a run? At 5 o'clock. Now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that a prepositional phrase is a group of words consisting of a preposition and a noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. Now read the sentences below and underline the prepositional phrases. You can lose some weight by not eating anything, but it's a bad idea. By not eating, which is preposition plus gerund. I'll be staying at my grandma's place tonight. At my grandma's place, preposition plus noun. Also remember that as an adverb, the prepositional phrase answers the question how, when, where. Now read the following sentences and match them. Also, underline the prepositional phrases. A. How long have you been learning Italian? B. When did you wake up? C. Where did you buy such a pretty pair of boots? 1. Oh, thank you. I got them at our local mall. 2. I've been trying to master it for 10 years. 3. At 8 o'clock, though it's my day off today. How long have you been learning Italian? I've been trying to master it for 10 years. When did you wake up? At 8 o'clock, though it's my day off. Where did you buy such a pretty pair of boots? Oh, thank you. I got them at our local mall. Here is a short story using prepositional phrases. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Do you have any plans for tonight? Yeah, I'm going on a date with David. I think we're going to a bar or something. With whom? With David, my colleague. He's a really nice guy. He was transferred from another department about a month ago, and we have so much in common. Oh, that's amazing. Let's hang out some other time then. Sure. And now, time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and underline the correct preposition. A. In, on. A beautiful Thursday morning, I found out that I got expelled from to university. B. My grandma Judy grew up in a farm in Idaho. C. Come over onto here. Look at that cute puppy. D. Could you pass me that book? Which one? The one from with a yellow cover. E. My grandparents live in of a tiny house in by the lake. F. Stop beating above around a bush. I can't understand anything. G. I always see people jogging on through the park. H. There was a huge pile of books under into the desk. I. Jenny can't have guests over at her place because of the landlord. J. Ben got sick due by eating junk food all the time. And now, let's check your answers. On a beautiful Thursday morning, I found out that I got expelled from university. My grandma Judy grew up on a farm in Idaho. Come over here. Look at that cute puppy. Could you pass me that book? Which one? The one with a yellow cover. My grandparents live in a tiny house by the lake. Stop beating around a bush. I can't understand anything. I always see people jogging through the park. There was a huge pile of books under the desk. Jenny can't have guests over at her place because of the landlord. Ben got sick by eating junk food all the time. Thank you for watching this tutorial.